a quick show on how to put the Range Rover from 2023 model to date into the neutral position. So you can see the selector. The selector only goes to drive, reverse, neutral when the engine is running. So as you can see, it's currently on P. It's currently on park. So we're taking it to the neutral position. Let's turn off the ignition. So let me show you how to engage it to neutral manually while the engine is off, while the ignition is even off. So what you need to do is not on this inside of the car. Let me show you on the transmission. So a quick dive. So mind you, this only works for the Range Rover model from 2023 and above. So you come down under the car. So getting to underneath the car. So here's the transmission. Here you have the transmission here, and you have the engine at that port. So you can see the small propeller. Let me reduce the camera so you can see the small propeller to the front differential. So you look through, you see this stuff like a boat right here. See it, this one right here. So you get your 6-7 flat spanner or a 6mm spanner. So you use the 6mm spanner to, you take it down up to where that stuff that looks like screws. So let me position the camera right there so it will be so you take your spanner right here, your 6 spanner right here to hold it down. Then you move it. Once you move it further a bit, you can hang it there. You can stop it right there. You can see, as you move it further a bit, you stop it right on this side of the transmission. Mind you, you only find this on the L460 and L461, which is the Range Rover from 2021 model to 2026 and above. Here's where you manually engage it to neutral position. Then let's confirm to verify that the vehicle is in neutral position now. So you can easily push, you can easily roll the vehicle. So let's turn on the ignition. You can see it's on the neutral position right now. So you can easily roll the vehicle. But first of all, before you roll the vehicle, we'll put it in. We'll release the parking brake. First of all, before we can roll the vehicle, we'll release the parking brake. Hold it down a bit. Okay. It's a press foot brake. Press foot brake before you press the parking brake. So first of all, hold the foot brake down. Then you hold this button down. Okay, you can see the parking brake is released. So we can easily roll the vehicle now. Push. So you can easily roll the vehicle. Push. Vehicle is rolling. So the engine is not running. Mind you, the engine is not running. I hope you learned something new in this video. Kindly support me by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get more of my latest videos. Thank you for staying around. See you on the next one.